welcome to the Bird's Nest. And this Sunday, the Eagles will get the upset of the season against the New England Patriots because nobody believes in us.
Notorious. Eat a little fish, a little chicken, go gym, nigga living like warrior. Feeling like more for years, I gotta make a nigga forfeit his. That's very unfortunate. I take a beat to make a feast of it.
For where it's cold at. This is what we do. So remember, the Philadelphia Eagles have an opportunity this week to shock the world. Nobody believes in us. Tom Brady is chirping about how he's still mad about the Super Bowl. Everybody's counting us out. D-Jack is injured. Carson Wentz is not playing up to expectations after getting that $100 million plus contract. The defense is not playing up to standard. Has Malcolm Jenkins regressed? The running game, is it real? Our linebackers aren't good enough. Our offensive line isn't playing good enough. Doug Peterson, does he know what he's doing? He's not coaching as good as we thought he was. He was a top 5 coach. Now what is he? Howie, he don't know what he's doing with these picks, with these trades, with these draft picks. I like it. I like it. Because when it happens, it's fine with me. It's fine with me. But just remember, we win this game on Sunday. Y'all know what time it is. We beat New England. Y'all gonna be scared. Let's go. Fly, Eagles, fly.